In today's video, how to resize an image in Pixlr. Launch Pixlr and load your image by going to File and Open Image. Select image, layer you want to resize, click on image and you will see bounding box handles, small squares around edges and corners. Drag corners to resize image while maintaining aspect ratio. To stretch image in one direction without maintaining aspect ratio, jerk handles along sides. If you want to resize image with specific dimensions, go to the orange menu. At the top, you can change aspect ratio settings to 3 to adjust width and height independently. Drag corners or enter specific width and height values in toolbar at the top for more precision. And if you want to resize entire canvas or image to specific pixel dimensions, go to image and image size and enter desired width and height and select whether you want to maintain aspect ratio or not. Once done, save your resized image by going to File and Save, or export it as your desired format.